Now I'm going to install the temperature sensors. So these go into the turbocharger housing. There are holes right here. It's actually an exhaust manifold, I guess. And both these parts, left and right, are identical. I checked, so there's no asymmetry there. It's a good thing. But you know, it's one of those things easily forgotten because it's not actually listed in the. I guess it's listed in the turbocharger disassembly instructions. So I think this has to be threaded through here. Not 100% sure, but this looks right. I should go check my disassembly videos to make sure that that's the case. At any rate, that seems sensible to do. So screw these in. I believe these look like 17mm. And these, don't remember where they're bolted on. Also, I have to consult the old video for that, or the Bentley manual again. These things must bolt somewhere. Stands to reason. I wonder. This has a pretty acute angle. They are the same. Remember to tighten them. Don't get a whole lot of space to tighten. There you go. So those two are in place. These will bolt somewhere. I need to figure out where.